The basic requirements of water for beer brewing. 1. The water for beer brewing need colorless and transparent, without precipiate. Otherwise it will influence wort transparency, so the beer will turbid and precipitation. 2. The taste should be refreshing, and smell is neutral, odorless when heating the water reach 20-50 degrees Celsius. If it is salty, bitterness, astringency will not be adopted. 3. The salt content in the water should be in the level of 150-200 mg/L. If the salt content is higher, it will result in rough taste and bitter of beer. 4. pH value between 6.8 to 7.2, slightly alkaline or slightly acid will make mashing more difficult and poor beer taste. 5. Organics oxygen consumption in the water, for example KMNO4, the organics content lower 3 mg per liter, the water has beer seriously contaminated if higher than 10 mgl. 6. Hardness in the lower level of 5.706 millimoles per liter if we produce light color beer. If we produce more concentrate color beer, the level of hardness can be increased. 7. The content of iron ion should lower the level of 0.3 mg/L. 8. Ammonium salt should not be existed in the water, if so the water will unclean, in the limit of 0.5 mg/L. 9. The chloride content in the level of 20-60 mg/L is suitable. The silicate content require lower the level of 30 mg/L. If the level higher than 50 mg per liter, wort will turbid and shape into micelles, even influence the process of yeast fermentation and beer filtration. The total quantity of bacterial need meet the standard of drinking water.